In this video, we are going to show you how to organize YouTube video ideas in Poppy AI. Now, this is a good tool to just organize or brainstorm your next idea for your next video. It's quite simple. Open a new board like so and open a group. So group one would probably be, let's say, video ideas, right? So put it there. And then maybe a second group might be scripts, right? There you go. And just put it below and then open a new AI chatbot and connect it to both, right? As you can see, there you go. And then we're going to go to YouTube and we're going to find video ideas. For example, we're just going to look for vintage car videos, for example. And here we're just going to copy the links and paste it inside the video ideas group, right? Like so. There you go. Let's look for another one. We're just going to go for this one because it's 500,000 views, even though it's 4 years ago. Still pretty good. These are evergreen content. Paste it here too, as you can see. There you go. And here, I'm just going to say in the prompt, very simple. You can be as customized or as specific as you want. I want you to create a mystical video around 8 minutes using the contents of the video ideas group. And it's going to start creating a script for that using these two. And as you can see, here's a full 8-minute video. So a script. So once it's done, there you go. Once this is done, we can just copy this and paste it here in the scripts, or you can just straight up paste it in a Google Doc, whatever you decide to do. And after that, you will be good to go. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description we have provided below. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.